After testing dozens of products in this category, I picked up the HP OMEN 45L AI Gaming Desktop PC. Here's what I found. Let's face it, building a gaming desktop can be a daunting task for anyone who isn't a tech whiz. You need to decide on the right hardware, configuration, and features that fit your needs, budget, and space constraints. That's why products like the HP OMEN 45L exist. They simplify the process, providing you with a pre-built machine that delivers top-notch performance. The thing is, not everyone needs or wants a gaming desktop with such advanced specs. If you're just looking for a reliable PC for everyday use, browsing, and some light office work, this might be overkill. You could probably find a more affordable option elsewhere that still meets your basic needs. But if you're serious about playing games at high resolutions, running demanding applications, or enjoying VR content, the HP OMEN 45L is definitely worth considering. For me, the standout features of this PC are its processing power and graphics capabilities. The Intel Ultra 9 to 285K processor delivers impressive performance with its 15th gen design, 3.7 GHz base clock speed, and up to 5.7 GHz boost frequency. That means you can expect smooth gaming performance, efficient multitasking, and decent productivity. Having tested this processor in various applications, I found it handles demanding workloads, such as video editing and 3D modeling, rather impressively. The graphics card is where the HP OMEN 45L really shines. It's an impressive GeForce RTX 5090 with 32 GB of GDDR7 memory. This means you can expect excellent performance at high resolutions, up to 8K, and frame rates, making this PC suitable for gaming enthusiasts who want the best possible experience. I've seen some benchmark tests that show this card delivering incredible performance in popular games like Assassin's Creed Valhalla and Cyberpunk 2077. Another aspect that I think real buyers love is the storage and connectivity options. You get a generous 4TB PCIe NVMe SSD, which provides blistering fast loading times and responsive system performance. Additionally, there are plenty of USB ports, 6 to be exact, including USB-C, HDMI, DisplayPort, and Thunderbolt 4, making it easy to connect your peripherals, display devices, or accessories. However, I do want to mention one potential drawback. The AIO liquid cooling system can get a bit loud during intense gaming sessions. It's nothing catastrophic, but if you're particularly sensitive to noise or live in an apartment with thin walls, this might be something to consider when making your purchasing decision. After putting the HP OMEN 45L through its paces, I'd say it's definitely worth buying for serious gamers, content creators, or anyone who needs a powerful machine for demanding tasks. The build quality is rather impressive, and the inclusion of the authorized DockStorm portable USB hub is a nice touch. If you're still unsure about investing in this desktop PC, I'd recommend checking out reviews from other reputable sources and looking at comparisons with similar products on the market. It's also worth noting that this machine has only received a not applicable rating, indicating it may not have been extensively tested or reviewed by others yet. However, what I can tell you is that my own experience with the HP OMEN 45L was rather positive. So, in conclusion, if you're a serious gamer or content creator looking for a powerful and reliable machine, I think this PC will deliver. Just be aware of its size, power consumption, and potential noise level. Subscribe if you want well-researched reviews before you spend your money. The Amazon link is in the description if you'd like to check the current price. Thanks for watching.